Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how I created these blinged out red bottom inspired pressed on nails. Alright, now starting off with the nails, these are a stiletto almond shaped nails. The polishes I'll be using are Dipped in Pretty and Pretty Young Thing and Killing Me Softly. I'm starting off with flipping over all the nails so that we can do the red bottoms first. All the nails are prepped and ready and I'm just hopping right in without showing prep. For the red bottoms, there is no real special way to paint them. You paint them the same exact way as you would if you had them right side up. Alright, now we're going to pop these in the dryer for 60 seconds and I'm going to do my second coat of this red. Alright, so now we're just going to do a quick top coat and I'm going to put this in the dryer for 120 seconds. Alright, now I'm just flipping over all the nails and we're going to start our nude coat. I'm using the Dipped in Pretty nude polish in the color Killing Me Softly. I really love Dipped in Pretty polishes. She has some of the best polishes I've used. They aren't too runny, they aren't too thick, and it's like the perfect consistency every single time. Alright, these are the finished nails. You can either leave them plain or if you're extra like me, bling them all the way out. I'm showing you guys my supplies here. These are just some clear crystals. I'm just using a regular gem gel. Starting off with the pinky, I'm going to be honest, I don't really know what stone design I wanted to do on this set because it already had the red bottom design, so I didn't want to do too much, but I pretty much improvised as I created them. The only thing that I knew for sure is I wanted one finger that was stoned all the way out. so this is a complete set, super bling, super extra, just like me. And now I'm just showing you guys what they look like on. I did not show that because I have a press-on nail installation video. I can tag it in the cards. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Please share the video. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.